What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to reveal how to start making at least one high ticket affiliate commission per day online, especially if you're someone that's completely brand new. You don't know the simple action steps you need to take on a daily basis to produce those bigger commissions. Now you can see on the screen right here, this is a screenshot of a result I was able to generate recently. This is a $5,000 commission. And the shocking thing you're going to realize as you stick with me throughout this video is making high ticket commissions is really not any harder than low ticket commissions. The benefit, obviously, is you can make way more with a lot less sales and work. Now, what I'm going to reveal inside this video is, first off, how you can literally start making $2,000 to $5,000 commissions per sale. Okay, now I'm going to share with you exactly how to find the right products, how to get started, so by the end of this video, you can go out there with confidence. I'm also going to share the secret to actually making commissions online, okay? So this is going to apply whether you do high ticket affiliate marketing, whether you do regular affiliate marketing, whether you try to go out there and make sales in some other business. This is why 99% of people fail to make a single sale, okay? So you definitely want to learn the secret. This is what I'm doing. This is what my friends that are easily and effortlessly every single day checking their phone, feeling that excitement, making a sale. This is what they're doing. And the masses that keep spinning their wheels, they keep working at jobs they hate, they're never able to make any money. This is what they fail to do, okay? And I'm also going to share with you what action you can start taking today, okay? That takes no more than about 30 minutes to start generating high quality leads. Okay, now those high quality leads are going to be very targeted in the products that you're promoting. Now you be sure to stay to the very end of the video because you're also going to discover how to do this, okay, how to make these high ticket sales without ever having to make the sales yourself. You're not going to have to do any of the selling. And I know that sounds crazy, but as you stick with me, you'll see, okay? So stay tuned because you do not want to miss this. Now, before I continue, I do want to share that I have a Facebook group right here. Now, I've started it a long time ago, but right now I've decided I'm going to be more active on here. I'm going to be sharing weekly live trainings, insider strategies, and different case studies to really motivate you and get you the results you want. The training I share inside this Facebook group is not going to be shared other places, okay? So in order to get free access to this, if you want to become a part of a community, I'll include a link directly below. Just click that link. You can request to be approved, and then you can become a member. But again, without further ado, let me dive in right now. Now, the very first step when you want to actually make high ticket affiliate commissions online is obviously we need high ticket products to promote. Now, there's a lot of places you can go online. You can even search on Google high ticket products. Another big popular place is clickbank.com. Now, maybe you already have an account. It's actually free to create an account. And once you're inside your dashboard, you can just click Marketplace on the top tab and you can search by categories. Now, what I highly recommend, because a lot of people ask me, Garrett, I'm just starting off with affiliate marketing. I want to make these bigger commissions. What category, what niche do you recommend I do? I highly recommend you choose either health, wealth, or relationships. Now, the reason being is these categories are evergreen, okay? So if you go out in a specific category, let's say, languages, right? Now, languages, maybe there's a big trending boom on a specific language and you hop on that trend. Now, you're going to possibly make some good money for a month or two, but when that trend starts to die, if you create content, let's say videos or articles, they're not going to continue to produce money for you over the long term, okay? So chances are you're watching this video because you want to be planting seeds for you and your family where you can reap these rewards. You can create commissions for a very long time. For example, I created this video right here. Now, I've been doing YouTube for many years, and I have videos years ago that I created that are still generating leads and sales, okay? So that's the power of targeting something that's evergreen. Now, I do the make money online niche. If you want to find that in ClickBank, you just go to e-business, e-marketing. Now, for high ticket products, you can go average dollar per conversion, okay? So you can see that this is the average amount per sale, and the higher amount, the more money that you can actually make. Now, you don't just want to look at the highest dollar per conversion if you're finding a product on ClickBank or JVZoo, for example, because it may not be selling well. So what you want to try to find is the best selling product that pays you the most, okay? So this one, it has a gravity score of 2. Okay, gravity score on ClickBank is how many people on average are actually making sales. 2 is incredibly low. I look for at least 30 on average typically. Okay, so you can scroll down. Now, ClickBank is not my favorite place for high ticket affiliate products. I'll actually include another link to a free training that my good friend and 7-figure earner Zach Crawford put together recently, where he's going to break down how to actually get top products that are high ticket in the make money online niche. And I personally recommend you do that just because it's converting incredibly well and it's incredibly valuable. But you can still go through and ClickBank and other things as well. Okay, so once you find a product, now what I want to cover though is the big mistake people make. Okay, because let's say, for example, you go to a site like Twitter. Okay, now Twitter is a popular site, and a lot of people don't realize that you can make some pretty amazing affiliate commissions on Twitter. Okay, really any social media. You want to get away from this, where's the best traffic source? A lot of people, they always message me, Garrett, what is that ideal traffic source? Should I be doing, Snapchat? Should I be doing TikTok? What is that number one source? And really they all work. Okay, what I always recommend my students is you want to find the social media platform that you can build a following on that you actually enjoy. Okay, because if you don't enjoy it, you're not going to stay consistent. You're not going to stick with it. Now, you want to stay consistent and you want to actually build a following. Okay, now there are other ways, such as paid traffic, but a lot of my audience, they don't have a lot of extra income laying around where they can just buy Instagram accounts with followers already. So if you want to start building a following, and you don't need a lot of followers to start making sales, okay, I want to dispel that myth also. But what I want to share with you is the number one secret, right? Why do so many people struggle? Why do so many people who want to do affiliate marketing, they never actually make a sale? You have to change your mindset. So as you can see right here, what is my profile doing, right? Well, what it's really doing, if you pull back the curtain, it's branding me, okay? So a lot of people, when I look at their profile and they want to make sales, they have a profile picture of, a dog or of, a kite or something completely random, right? So what you want to understand is that people buy from people. So you want to brand yourself. You want to get people, and these are the 3 most important qualities you want to have. You want to get people to know, like, and trust you. Okay? When you have those 3 qualities together, that's when people buy. You want to understand that. So how does this work? Again, whatever social media platform you focus on, right? Whether it's Instagram, Facebook, you want to have a good cover photo, okay? But you want to have a profile picture of yourself that's personable, that looks like you're happy, okay? Because again, you want to be relatable. You want people to know you. You want people to like you, and you want people to trust you. Now, that brings up another thing. Well, Garrett, I have friends and family on my profile. I don't want to mix business and pleasure. Well, just create another profile. Don't let these limiting beliefs stop you, right? There's so many things people tell themselves, and really it's not that big of a deal. Okay, just find the solution, create a new profile, and then you want to have your profile, ideally your name. Okay, ideally if you don't want to have your whole name right there, you could do work with. Okay, so work with Garrett, work with Janet, work with Tom, okay, or grow with. Okay, a lot of my websites are like prosper with Garrett. Okay, so again, you always want to be branding yourself. You want to getting people to know, like, and trust you. Now, how do you get people to know, like, and trust you? By posting valuable content. Okay, so I'm sharing YouTube videos, I'm sharing quotes, inspiration, right? Positive things. You want people to like you, right? This goes back to basic psychology. The more you can get people to feel good when they're around you, the more they're going to like you. Now, you may have watched my videos before, and maybe you like me. Hopefully you do like me. And if you do, think, why do I like this guy, right? Well, probably because I'm sharing value. I'm being helpful. I'm being nice, right? It's very simple stuff, but we want to do that, okay? We want to start to get people to know, like, and trust us. That's the biggest mistake. I keep saying it. Now, once we do that, now we want to start redirecting people to our link, okay? Now, this can be a lot of different ways. Now, with high ticket affiliate marketing, I want to actually open up, okay, this is the Facebook group. I want to open up my profile. And what I want to share with you is how you can actually start using even a Facebook profile to make sales. Because again, a lot of people, they overcomplicate this whole marketing thing, right? They think they have to be really technical. They think they have to have all this experience. And at the end of the day, it just takes a cover photo, a decent profile photo, and just the right strategies, which you can find more also on my channel. But what I want to share with you is, again, what you want to do is you want to be sharing value. Okay, so right here, this isn't even that good of quality, to be honest. I could have spent a little bit more time on this, but it's still got 21 likes. Okay, some people loved it. And all I did was I went to Google Images and I just took a quote, okay, that has to do with making money online, entrepreneurship, which is the niche I'm in, and I just posted this on my profile, right? Very simple, okay? I posted a valuable thing here, okay, a lifestyle photo, right? Another lifestyle. I was in Colombia. I posted this, okay? This is inspiring, right? The best way to predict the future is to create it. So I know my audience, a lot of people want to travel, right? They want to travel the world. I was in Colombia for 5 months, okay? So I shared a photo in the hotel that I was staying, okay? So this, I know, inspires people. Now, you don't just want to be sharing things to get people to know, like, and trust you, because then you're never going to make money. The real secret is you want to have a combination of, value, 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 and then pitch, okay? So how do we pitch? Well, if you use your Facebook profile, one, you can put your link that you want to promote in your bio, okay? And you can tell people in your post, you can say, hey, like right here, okay? The best way to predict the future is to create it. To see how I created my future and this type of freedom lifestyle, check out the free video at the link in my profile, okay? So I'm always getting people to go to the link in my profile. You can also post Facebook stories, okay? So I'm posting Facebook stories. I'll share you okay, right here. So I made a post, I shared that. Today I did this post, okay? So I'm basically sharing results, and this is my pitch, okay? So you can see I shared that I made a $1,500 commission, and I shared, hey, this new program is on fire, okay? So I'm building hype, I'm getting people interested, and again, that's what you want to do. So you don't just want to be pitching. Again, that's what people go wrong. They go to Facebook groups and they just keep spamming links. No one is going to buy from a random link on the internet, okay? They're going to buy from people. Even if they come across a random link and they're interested, they're still going to research reviews and then join from someone they actually like. So you want to get away from just spamming links, and instead you want to work on building relationships with people, okay? Now, that's really it, okay? So you want to, again, do that. Now you can see I made a pitch, and then I did a value, okay? I shared, hey, beautiful day. This is getting people to know me, okay? I just arrived in Brazil recently, and now they're realizing, hey, this guy's, a normal guy. Hey, he's, living in a nicer area, okay? I'm starting to get to know him, and then they're trusting me, okay? And they're trusting you. The way they'll trust you is by not spamming different links every single week. A lot of people promote one product one week, the next product another week. You want to really focus on one main program, one main affiliate program that's high ticket to start to get results, okay? And that leads me to my last point in this video, and that is how to actually get the sales done yourself. Now, I already mentioned that free training. When you go to that free training, you're going to be able to discover how to plug into a high ticket affiliate program that has a sales team attached to it. Now, what that means is when you send people to your link, okay, so I have my link here, you can actually go to my Facebook and check out the link that I'm actually doing. It's the same program I'm recommending. When you go through that, you will discover how to get a sales team that will call your leads and close them for you. You don't have to get on the phone. You don't have to bother your friends and family. Half the time, I don't even know the people that buy from me. They just come across the YouTube video or my Facebook profile. They go to the link. They get their minds blown by how powerful and simple that program is. They make a decision to join, and then I wake up to a commission, and I don't even know who the person is, okay? Because the sales team is doing all the closing and the selling for me. All you have to do once this is set up is just focus on getting people to know, like, and trust you, and getting people to go to your link, okay? That's really all it is. So I hope this video helped you. I wanted to break down high ticket affiliate marketing step by step. I'm going to include the Facebook group link as well as the free training down below. Be sure to like this if you want me to make more videos like this. Subscribe so you never miss out on my latest step-by-step training. And I will see you, my friend, on my next video. Thanks so much for watching, and take care.